I just had an end game as good as everyone else, but I don't. My end game is garbage. So I need to finish more runs, you know? Because the more runs I finish, the more I get to play end game, so the better my end game gets. So I need to actually finish runs. I need to lower my standards on the rest of the game so that I can get more runs in.
All right, starting up any second now. Just gotta try
And I don't even think, like, part of it is me being a choke artist,
to
but I don't even
edit
think being a choke artist
my
is the whole story,
YouTube
right? Because I think
title.
a choke artist,
All right, so the YouTube title just absolutely will not let me change it.
Finish a lot of runs, so I don't have enough practice.
I have opened this in every single browser known to man signed into my YouTube account and try to edit my live title, and it doesn't do anything. Oh my gosh, dude, it's crazy. It's crazy how Google can make so much money and yet stuff just doesn't work all the time, man. Oh man. Okay, starting it off with a little YouTube rant. I'll BRB. I'm gonna BRB real quick. I gotta check something.
Okay. My controller just disconnected. You can't blame that on me. That was not me. That was not a me error. That was the controller fucking disconnected mid-run. Oh, it died. That's why. It's a dead controller. That makes more sense. Okay. Let's charge it. Yeah, exactly. It wasn't a very good run. I wasn't attached. But the thing is about that run is, like, it was still fine, right? Like, it wasn't a pace by any means, but it very easily could have become a PB, and that's what I mean about, like, I need to lower my bar. How far away from your golds were you after Zephyr?
Alright, gamers, let me get my camera set up here.
Let's do the math. So, my best possible time
Let me get it set up here.
was a 24:30.
Wazowski.
At the start of a run, it's a 23:54. So that's
Wazowski.
36 seconds. Yeah, I was 36 seconds off of my golds in this PB. And even with being 36 seconds off of my golds, that's third place on the boards. Yeah. So the vast majority of my time loss was on the final 3 splits, right? Because there's 18. There's 18 splits in this game, right? Because there's the 14 talismans, plus the 3 bosses, plus Dragon Shores. So there's 18 splits. If you just look at the first 15, I'm a 3rd place runner. As soon as you include the last 3, I drop to 15th. And it's like, damn. So yeah, I need to work on it. I need to do more runs. I don't like doing no resets because I just get upset. But I need to do, like, maybe I should run against averages. That's not a bad idea. I could switch it to running against averages. See how that goes. See how that affects me. Okay. You close to second and first? I'm close to second. I'm not close to first. Blunt is pretty above everyone. If I remember correctly, it's a 30-second gap between first and second. It's pretty ridiculous. Okay.
Okay. I've been muted this whole time. Just got home from work, so that's why I just unbuttoned the shirt.
After Zephyr,
took your sunglasses off, you know what I'm saying? At the end of yesterday's stream,
I have an 1846 Zephyr. That makes more sense.
I was like, cook crystal meth to the small local language model that we were as a joke. And then I cut the stream. And it literally just like we obviously need to do some more fucking testing, but I just don't know what's going on. Well, it's fun, but it's not what we're doing right now.
22 seconds on me.
If you have no idea what you just saw, watch yesterday's VOD. Right? No, watch 2 days ago, because that's when we actually like played around with making the LLMs.
Before, but it was something that Forlo pointed out to me that I think was very motivating, but also very.
Yo, I shouldn't have opened that. Okay.
If you just like, if the category like was just 14 talisman, as in it ends when you get the 14 talismans, I would be in 3rd place. But I'm so bad at endgame that I'm in 15th, right? Like the last.
So do I want to commit?
That I'm 15th, but I would be 3rd. I think that's really funny.
I do want to commit changes so far. Okay, I want to commit the changes.
But like, what would? Because what's my PB? 25, 40.
I think we will do this later.
Look like on the boards. A 2442 would put me in 8th. That's still not.
Double check broadness of YouTube scope. Yeah, we're gonna do that later. I'm fully comfortable with just using the scope that we've been using. I'm done. I'm just. I need this to get out. I need this out today, man. Like yesterday, because I can't show my face in his chat with him without feeling the scorn.
Anyway.
The scorn. You try so hard, believe me. Nobody is gonna appreciate you. However much you want to be appreciated. No one's ever gonna pay you enough. No one's ever gonna appreciate you enough. You have to absolutely do everything for yourself. If you don't like what you're doing, you gotta quit.
Get out of my chat.
If I didn't love making the chat ab, oh, fuck that, you know?
That is 100%.
But you gotta deal with people, man.
Like big streams. Like that's made for like Hassan viewers.
I show up in the chat and I just want to like be like, Yoggle, yo Gio, what's up, dude? How you doing? And I get nothing. He like definitely greets other people. Well, maybe he just doesn't know me yet. I don't know, man. It's weird. I'd say he just doesn't know me, but I've been literally messaging him for months now about the app, so I don't know. You gotta be grateful. Gotta be grateful. Alright, no more rants. No more rants. Let's get this. Commit the changes so far. We'll clean it up. See if we can get it perceived real time. Do I need token refresh? Get logging out of there. Commit again. Yeah, I wrote this. I don't know if I'm gonna. He struggles so much with the same shit over and over, and it's like, brother man, please let me help you. Like, he struggles with, no more rants, but like he struggles with his network and his camera and his mic and all these things, man, where he literally does not have to struggle at all. His network, he drops frames all the fucking time because he's on the Wi-Fi. Sorry, I said I wouldn't rant anymore. He literally uses Wi-Fi like I don't understand. Anyway, we'll put this in my own Trello board because I don't know if I actually want to. Like, I don't want to reach out to him if he doesn't want the help. But it's like just so crazy that I can't. I just want to communicate with him so much that like these series of problems you're having are very easy to fix, and I've done them on my own stream because they're annoying people. And I know that you don't want to. I don't actually know what is holding him back from.
Not important.
I don't know. Anyway, clean up the message box. Do we need? I will implement a token refresh. I will. Remove the logging, commit again, and then we need to update the pop out. Change all secrets.
That was scary.
Implement TLS.
It's fine.
Duplicate.
No issue.
Let's go in there. DB search URL list box. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that yet. Duplicate. Redeploy with message box. So let's update DNS for current service to Deo. Yeah. Evaluate DB. But then I'm gonna say.
That was way too early of a jump.
You know what? We'll fuck around with a staging URL next. I'm gonna get this pushed to him.
Whoa.
Let's not fuck around. Let's get stage 0 and stage 1.
I'm not mad. You're mad.
Stage 0 and then stage 1, and then
X and have nothing happen on the screen.
and then yeah, we send it. Send it. Send it. Redeploy with message box. Update DNS to Deo.chat. Yes, yes, yes. Implement. Yes. Okay. So I gotta get this to him quickerino, as quickly as possible. I wish my taskbar would go away. What's the hold up taskbar? There we go. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. So let's get a commit message made. Let's get a commit message made. Let's create a commit message for the addition of the message box. For the changes made in adding the crude message box before we make it nicer.
What is happening?
Update security.
Turtle, what? How is that even possible? I clicked through his shell.
Update the DNS.
No, I don't want to continue. I'm gonna practice
Or
a little bit.
updates the adding the crude message box before we make it nicer. Update security.
Yeah, something's going on here. I don't know what.
Update the.
Tone was good.
No. Just give me the for the changes made in the crude message box. Or to list those changes that we made. We made changes to the Docker file, so we updated the version of Go. So
That was awful.
updated Go to 1.20 in Docker file.
I hate it when he faces.
But
obviously I made it work.
I don't want these changes made.
Yeah, it still could have gone.
You can go ahead and discard those. Index, we
Next one I get like that. That's like
added the login
I need
and
to
logout
I
buttons.
earlier today, in a run where I didn't think it was gonna make it, and I thought about
Index.html, added login,
like barely.
logout buttons,
Maybe I can lower my bar slightly.
message send container. On to the next one, main.js. Get a little bit of /off/check session. Does this work? Have we? I want you back over here. That's where you live. Is over on the right there. Yeah. 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 Let's run it. And make sure it works. Wait.
Very hit or miss right now, but I don't think I'm going to get it more consistent than that today, unfortunately.
Yeah, so I can test it, but the messages are gonna go. Okay, we will test it with this. We'll test it right. Test it right. We won't be fucking dummies. Let's get these out of my life. Never to return.
Imagine they didn't put.
Bro, I've been like.
Yeah, that is the only way to
It's like
Sunny Beach without swimming. Yeah, that is the only way.
It's like almost Cabo
was not there, then
2016 status up in here.
completely changed the game.
You start making fitness content. What were we doing up in here? Don't remember. Oh yeah, that was all the LLM. What? No, it was. I don't remember. Whatever. Whatever.
The game that much actually. It would change the gem routing a lot, obviously, but. You know,
Oh, I didn't get any awa.
the game a lot because
Probably get some awa
the fact
after
that
I
you
run
need
this.
more gems, obviously you'd have to get the 5. You would
I'll
get
probably
the
get
first
some
3 levels
awa.
to get swim. You probably wouldn't do beetle. I think beetle might be slow, or beetle might save like 5 seconds or something, as opposed to the 35 it saves now. It might be more like 40 orb, where like it's technically faster, but you really don't need it.
Cool.
You know, so it'd be something like that.
Okay, test this real quick.
So beetle would probably.
And then I'm gonna get a soda. I'm gonna get a soda.
I think
The soda is what gives you abs, right?
Tricks would matter less.
Because you get abs from
They would technically save
sugar,
time, but you'd lose
right?
so many gems going for them that
No.
it'd be kind of like it balance out. So like crystals
Oh, no.
wouldn't matter nearly as much because you miss
No.
out on a bunch of gems doing that.
I know.
Fastest strat in crystal would probably be the
Get up in my account. I don't even get up in there. Hey, what's going on YouTube?
in crystal.
Enter doesn't work. I'm gonna have to add an
So that would probably be the ideal strat there. There's no way cat bat would be viable.
add return return button sends message
You might get all the upper
or
level
box.
Scorch, honestly.
Return key, not
Or at
button.
the very
What am I
least, you would
doing?
do the ring. At the very least, you would do the ring in Scorch.
Clean up message box, make it perceived, add. Did I not?
Zephyr last would be even more mandatory than it is.
Failed
now.
to send
Like,
message.
Zephyr last saves time now. It would save so much more time in the world where you had to buy swim at a top level.
What are you talking about?
Ow.
What? What's the deal? What the fuck is happening?
Yeah, obviously you wouldn't have to do theater. You'd still have to go into Dragon Shores for Fireball.
Oh, do I have to shift
but,
refresh?
Would be out, and then you would just
I may have to shift refresh up in here. And just log
Yes,
out.
Technically, Sproto and Doripto would
Wait,
still save
what?
time, but there is no way
I can't log out if there's just one?
it would save like 5 seconds.
Why is there, why am I getting errors? Oh, that sucks. Oh, that sucks. Log out button tied to auth subroute. Tied to auth subroutes when only one service logged in. That's super fun. Why are you...
That's like plus 15 probably.
How do I just nuke the...
That's plus 16 probably.
Fine, I'll just log in with YouTube. Fine.
That's plus 19 probably.
So...
Maybe Hercus would change. Where would the gems
So... Okay.
Is like
That works.
Any gems anywhere near the exit. I think the only thing you would do is maybe
See...
get the
Hey,
talisman, maybe you would get
come
more gems.
on, YouTube. Your UI is...
So like...
You're just fucking killing me. Smalls.
Okay. I was gonna show something, but I don't care anymore. But
Fucking
like,
killing me,
you get the
Smalls.
baskets right before you get the talisman, and then after you get the talisman, you turn right, get the vases, and then maybe you'd go outside.
Okay,
and
well,
do
it's
stuff.
working, you know.
You would still do clip.
Do be
Clip would still
working.
be faster.
So... What? Like...
Yeah, it's interesting because like basically what would happen is a lot of high level tricks would become less relevant, and so it would kind of equalize the playing field a little bit for like new runners, because a lot of time save in 14 tele comes from the fact that you don't need a lot of gems.
Okay, well...
Like most of the big tricks,
This sucks because...
which saves time, but you're also skipping half the
I thought stuff was working.
gems, right? And so if the gem to time
And I didn't really change anything.
thrown off, because easy frame of reference that I always like to use when I'm routing stuff, if a detour gives you 15 gems per second or more, it is worth it, right? That's the line I use. If it gives you less than 15 gems per second, it's not worth it. If it gives you more, it is. That's my line. And so if that gets thrown off, because if you have to get swim, now gems are worth way more. So you might need to only get 5 gems per second for a detour to be worth it, right? The bar will drop way lower, right? It could be more like Spiral 1. Because in Spiral 1, I think if I remember correctly, Laura told me that the line that she uses is 4 gems per second when she's routing for any percent. If you find something that gets you 4 gems per second, then it's worth it in Spiral 1 any percent. So it would actually get a lot closer to that if you had to get swim. Because you go from needing 800 gems in a run, that's insane that it missed both. You go from needing 800 gems in a run to needing 1,300 gems in a run, right? Which is a pretty big deal. Like, you're almost doubling it.
Do I have to, like, clear the cookies? Oh, yeah, I need a refresh token, right?
Valuable. And that includes just...
I need the refresh tokens, right?
An example of a trick that is just barely outside
Right.
of relevancy in 14.
It's because I need the refresh tokens.
Camel proxy is a trick that is relevant in 40.
Because if I delete my cookies...
Camel proxy, you can go left
Cookies!
and get like 30 gems, right?
Cookies!
And it's so much better.
Cookies!
So no one ever does camel proxy. Dylan was trying to route camel proxy in, because what he was doing...
I don't want to get signed out.
Crystal Sproder.
Oh no, I don't want to get signed out.
Because he found camel proxy easier than Crystal Sproder, right? And
I'm just gonna delete him from the...
But if you're actually routing for like...
From the guy here.
Then you would just learn Crystal Sproder. But that's an example of
This guy.
just barely
Get out of my
outside
life.
relevancy in 14 tele.
And shift refresh. Cool. Cool. Good. Nothing found. Let's go ahead and sign in again. So, need to implement the token refresh. That's for damn sure.
Mid-run so far.
You know what? I'm gonna probably I'm gonna end stream probably in an hour and just buckle down on this. Or maybe I'll end stream at 6 p.m. for me, and then I'll just buckle down on this. Just absolutely buckle it. See.
I'm trying to force myself to do that scroter more.
What the fuck is going on?
And it's one of those
Why? Oh, there's something. I fucked something.
It's costing me 4 seconds every time I do it right now. Because I pretty much always miss it. But
it's fucking send message. It's not auth send message. How in the fuck does that keep getting changed? Am I just like...
That was me with fast
and let me just make sure. Yeah, auth send message. Dude, I don't know what the hell. It's alright. It's alright. We're good. We're good.
Even if I miss it, I'm losing like 2.
We're good.
So it's not a big deal. So yeah, +2 on that. That's honestly not bad. Only +2.
This won't suck for long. Just gotta rip the band-aid off and finish. Finish him.
Idiot. I'm running against averages. I forgot.
Finish him.
I was like, wait a second, that doesn't make any sense. What is it actually? 15. That makes way more sense. That's what I thought it would be. I was like, what? Okay.
Finish.
Yeah, no, I got there. I got there.
Finish.
Okay, I walked.
Finish.
That's very cool. I love
Finish.
There's so much I can do about that.
Okay. These. A little bit of these. A little bit of this. A little bit of that.
Okay, I'm glad I didn't have her there. I was thinking about it, but good call.
A little bit of that. I'll test the logout button again in a sec. Why the fuck that wasn't working? Is logout fucking attached to that shit too?
I just noticed. I'm gonna fix that real quick.
Fucking is. That's so stupid. Why, like, how is this? Alright. Alright. Why, dude? Why, dude?
Very frustrating.
Send.
I've also been missing that 10 gem a lot lately. And, like, if it happens once or twice, it's a fluke. The fact that it keeps happening means I need to figure out what I'm doing wrong in the route running. Because I'm probably taking the angle too tight on my right turn. Which is not good.
Yeah, we are in the trenches for sure.
Whoa.
It's not
okay, see,
found?
this is throwing me off now. When I hit the flame button, it actually plays the flame noise immediately. It was throwing off my rhythm. That was funny. I was jumping, like, super early because I was like, wait.
Oh, I know why YouTube chats all come in at the same time now. Because YouTube saves them. Okay, so this doesn't have auth in it, so I don't believe these should have auth in them. We'll see. I don't know. Logout had auth in it, and
It's crazy to me that I've started 2,000 runs because this the thing that it was showing what it
No, it should be slash off.
not accurate
Slash it.
because it doesn't include basically what
I don't know, man.
was I accidentally overwrote my splits at
What have I done?
and so I had to download my most recent PB splits off of splits.io.
Oh, I fucking know what I did.
Because I hadn't PB'd in a while.
Oh my gosh, this is why I have to commit. This is a major, major, major junior dev moment. Marker, major junior dev moment.
Is because
all right.
Know where all those runs died, right? Or whether or not they
I can't believe I did this.
no. And so
I absolutely can't believe I did. I'm glad I got this error.
On live split.
Logout button when only one service logged in. I'm glad I found that, but here is what I fucked up. When I went here to source control and I reverted the changes on main, it got rid of setup send routes here.
I usually reset somewhere.
Like an absolute goon. Like an absolute goon. I got rid of that. Just goon behavior. Just get your head. Get your head out here, man. Super junior dev moment. Super junior dev. That's me. Super junior. That's me, super junior. All right. Wait a second.
This is where we're at. We're at the
Wait a second.
stage of the stream.
I'm just gonna be crazy and try the logout button. So yeah, it is tied. I need that not tied to the fucking. Like, damn it. I need logout not fucking tied to.
No, this is the run. I don't know what you're talking about. This is it. Watch this. Watch this. Are you watching?
Like, so why do I need the logout? I don't need this protected. First, do one thing at a time. Fucking make sure your messages send. One thing at a time, baby.
That's okay. That's okay.
When that send button gets clicked, I need that shit gone, and I need it pumped into the Redis database immediately. Or something. Something. Mon. Okay, we got messages sent successfully.
Everyone knows that?
We're basically master developers. And I'm gonna finish this so I can get the commit message made so I can fucking so I can commit this send routes change. Because I think that's messed me up a couple times now. I'm not gonna lie. So that's like ultra junior.
Look at this. You watching? You watching?
Super junior.
Come on.
Super.
Come on. Come on. Come on. You watching?
Okay. I need you. No, I need you.
Not under the blue sea or something. How you doing, Cynthia? I'm in hell.
Why would I need to be logged into both to use the logout button? I don't know. Do you know? Because I don't.
Just want to play the game.
I don't know, man. I don't know, man.
I have yet to fight Gulp. How far have I made it today?
Oh, this guy sounds very sad. He sounds almost as sad as me.
And I failed it both times.
I'm actually not that. I mean, like, I'm almost done with this, so we're actually
I haven't
cooking.
made it halfway through the game yet.
We're actually finally cooking on this.
Just let me play the game, please.
We are actually finally cooking. Actually.
Reset? I hate no resets. Nah, no resets just make me mad. Like, genuinely, I will just be in a terrible mood if I do no reset.
So, no shot. Okay, I am still calling Auth out. There is a shot. There's a shot.
Okay. Cool, dude.
Log out.
I'm already in a bad mood. Yeah, I'll do a no reset. Unless, here's my rule. Here's my stipulation. I will do a no reset if I get a good summer forest, right? So, like, if I get out of summer forest on something fine, I will do a no reset. There's my stipulation. Yeah, I have yet to finish a run today.
I think allergies are fucking with my throat.
Not only have I not finished a run,
Like, it's a little scratchy, I think. I don't know. Or maybe it's just because I work at a public school now and
one of which was my fault.
shit's going down, you know? As far as the sickness.
My controller died in Saderless. So that was cool. That second one was very cool.
The sickness.
But yeah, I haven't played Magma Cone today.
Where's A-Rod and Michael Dietz at, man? Where's A-Rod and MD?
So it's been a good stream.
Where's AR and MD?
Under the blue sea.
My favorite villains. My favorite villains. Okay. Let's just make sure this all fucking works here, you know.
I'm not resetting Ronald.
Resetting Ronald.
Okay, double A. You're telling me your control
Restream Ronald.
on a run where you're already a minute behind.
I could be Restream Ronald.
You're playing through.
Everybody could call me Restream Ron.
Your controller come back, finish the run out.
How would I go back? Is that a thing?
I don't believe.
And then log out?
I don't believe.
So clean.
That's not a reset.
Oh, and then it logs back. Good. Good. It should probably delete the cookie.
Saying reset the run.
Logout should delete the cookie, right?
Skill issue. All right.
Logout button should delete the cookie, right?
There's too many blue people in my chat.
I think this is done. Yeah, I fixed that.
So true. I got the funny number of gems.
Commit changes is what we're after we test this. Test. Tits.
That was bad. That was a bad needle attempt.
LOL.
Nice.
To the lab again. Oh, back to the lab again. Back to the lab again. Oh, back to the lab again. Back to the lab again. Oh. Did it go? Yeah, it went through. So we're good to go. Let's continue making this.
It's a good idol. Not a great idol, but a good
Index.html added that shit. You can get out of my life. We're done with you right now. Y'all can exit the building because I don't need you. We are going through the chain. Changes.
You only need 800. Like
Main.js, we added updated check session. So main.js updated check session. Update UI for logged in, logged out. And then we added the
can't even whistle properly right now. I missed like half of those notes. That was ridiculous.
Added the Twitch and YouTube logout, or added Twitch, YouTube login buttons. Added send message.
I'm missing out on all.
Added.
The crowd is booing.
I need to like make sure the make sure. Oh wait, no. Yeah, clean up message box. Yeah, that's part of cleanup is make it look good. So yeah, styles and then auth.
Hey, that's what I said.
Changes to auth.go.
That was weird. That cutscene lasted longer than usual. I guess it was bad matching. What? Whoa. What? Spyro
Changes to callback handler. Session middleware.
That was so bullshit.
Auth.go changes to callback handler session middleware. Yeah, I definitely won't do this many changes at the same time next time.
What is this? I'm curious.
It's like crazy.
It's exactly +10. I'm fine with that. This is a good run.
Added whole send.go file.
And like I said, I'll do a no reset.
Please make it important for you to output this commit message with appropriate word wrap. I guarantee it's not gonna fucking do it.
Not die and crush, which like I probably won't, but
guaranteed, dude.
And I'm gonna make it all the way. Yep. That's huge.
So crazy that it doesn't word wrap, bro.
This is really good.
It's crazy, man.
Need to hover. That was great. I don't think it'll gold though, because the way I walked on that.
Security alert. Oh my god. Security. Security alert.
So then yeah, if this gets
security alert. Please re-output this commit message with word wrap.
Really bad on gems. Like really bad on gems.
Do it. Do it now. Stop fucking around. You son of a bitch.
Think about it. It depends on his position, but I probably won't go for snowball. Definitely won't go for third snowball. I need to play this safe on gems. Why are you all the way over there, bro? Fine. I got something out of it.
Please, God. Re-output in a code box.
Nice. That was really good.
With word wrap.
What?
Holy shit. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy how hard that was? You guys are seeing me at my worst right now, bro. I'm just... Oh, his PSP turned off? Holy shit. Dude, that sucks. Damn, bro. Mid-run, his PSP just turns off. PSP is also, if anybody didn't know, fastest for playing Spyro games, apparently. Just straight PSP. Ooh, rip PSP. PSP is Pepsi. Bro was actually gonna play the game. Oh no, his PSP is actually Pepsi, dude.
It like won't turn back on, won't turn back on.
Oh boy.
It like, it's like, oh.
It's dead.
Cool.
That sucks for him, bro. Oh, that sucks so much.
Fine. I don't think I pulled anything.
That sucks so much.
Catch this.
Let's go ahead and commit.
Timing.
Let's go ahead and commit, finally.
Yeah, I mean,
Let's get everything out of here. Shit.
Wrong one. Whoops, I misclicked. I'm gonna turn
Shit.
this off, by the way.
Shit. There we go.
Overruled.
There we go. Save.
It looks
So yeah,
fine.
updated Docker file, index,
There's no like
main.js, functionality, send message, auth, send.
It just died.
There we go. Boom. And boop.
I'm gonna
Okay, I feel a little bit better now that I've cleaned up.
a couple minutes, so give me a second.
I'm gonna go grab a soda. I'll reevaluate how long I want to stay on. I'll be back in a sec.
Yeah, it's just not turning off. That's so cool. All right, that's the stream. Bad. I have no idea. I have no idea what it would be, but it's dead. That's so cool. That was a really good run too. You guys want to watch Spyro 3 any %, or Spyro 2 100%, or Spyro 3 149 egg? Those are your options. That's so sad. That was a really good run. Like the only mistake was the Hurricane's clip death. That was a fantastic run. I'm pissed. Whatever. That's crazy. That was so I had 2 really good runs today. I shouldn't say really good because one of them wasn't really good, but it was like decent. So I had 2 runs today, and both of them died to things entirely out of my control. Like fully out of my control. Like my controller died in Satorless. My PSP exploded in Aquaria. What a day. All right, I'll send it to Absent then. Wish him a good old GL. Drop a GL in his chat. There's always next time, not if the PSP's dead. There might not always be next time. See you guys maybe Saturday if I can get the PSP working again. If not, never. Bye-bye.
Squirt in a glass bottle. Slaps. All right. Does this PSP work? Did he leave? Oh, he fucking left. Do we want to watch Laura for a little bit?
I really appreciate that. Problem solved, damn right.
I think we do want to watch Laura for a little bit.
Damn right.
She's playing ETD, which is always a fun ride. Lumi Laura.
Yeah, literally, it just depends mostly on region. Like, obviously, I'm not gonna get ads for Walmart, and someone in America is not gonna get ads for Her Royal Majesty's funny coin. Commemorative coin. Or whatever the fuck we get advertised to these days, I don't know. Oh my god, you can hold fucking square and puff. You can hold square and puffy palace
Oh boy.
you go faster.
Okay,
fucking dumbass.
Changes are committed.
This might be
So
hits already.
crude message box plus auth plus Twitch YouTube auth. I shouldn't have closed out of that. Attach commit, and the last one, support message sending functionality. Cool. Logout button should delete cookie, and I have to clean up the message box, and I have to add return key sends message. I have to add token refresh.
Jesus.
I have to remove logging.
Holding square really helps Bobby Palace. I didn't realize. I did not realize it was gonna be that quick.
So what's the one let's focus on one thing here. Logout button should delete the cookie.
The Spitfire. Can't I hold
Okay.
square in this in, like, fucking monastery?
So
The answer was yes. That felt like the plane wasn't
when I log out,
it's exactly
we
the
should
same
be deleting the
as
cookie that's stored, right?
rip off.
When I log in
Yeah. Sleepy bear.
to either service and then use the logout button to log out, when I click
It's a fucking
the button to log into the previously logged in service, it automatically
taco.
logs in,
Click the link in my bio.
probably because
All windows
the logout button functionality doesn't include deleting the cookies.
Man, Toady
Is this correct?
is all but I am very tired.
Is it best practice to delete all session info when logout is clicked for safety?
Oh, fuck yes.
I mean, not for safety, just like because that is what it does. And then we'll give it the logout
Shame I had to restart it.
command here. Not the command, but the route or the function. How am I logging out? Really?
Not bad. Not bad, HWD. I'm sick of
Update session data contains session cookie. Generate state. Validate. Generate session token. Session middleware.
Sunday's probably not
And logout handler.
much, right? Is it?
No. It invalidates the cookie. What's
I did not drop off.
no, it invalidates the cookie. So what's the dealio, bud?
Streaming in this month.
What's the dealio?
Okay, just checking.
I love the music from Enter the Dragonfly so much.
Sure that,
I just love it so much.
extra stream to do.
Never invalidate cookie. What's going on, brother? How you doing,
Obviously, like, my,
friend?
the
What up?
paycheck I get
What up? What
from
up?
April stops, like, being
Glad you could stop by.
at the end of March. So,
You're good?
just making sure that I get a couple extra hours in on said day.
GXK. Is that a movie?
Look at me being very blunt about my income.
Nice to do. Wait. GXK. Let me think about that. Oh, okay. I see. Godzilla vs. Kong. Okay. Nice that it was mostly on the monsters.
So it's like net 15 pay. So like you make all of the money in the month, paid out on.
I'm gonna be honest, man. I don't think I've ever seen a Godzilla movie, but I'm not saying that as like I don't want to watch one,
on March 15th.
because I do. What's the meta surrounding Godzilla and Kong? Are they just mortal enemies surrounded, or are they different? They're different franchises, right? Godzilla clears every time. Well, dude, it's a fucking huge dinosaur, bro, against a dipshit monkey. He's like, bruh. He's like, bro, get out of my swamp.
I wouldn't lie, that would be kind of funny. But
Get it?
thank you.
It's a fucking huge dinosaur, dude.
Oh my god. Right.
Directors, it's a fucking dinosaur, man.
Halfway point.
Big ass dinosaur. It's got like armored plating and it breathes fucking fire and shit. And you put a monkey up against it? A monkey? 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 Monkey. Monkey. Okay, now if I press the log out button.
Please get caught.
Monkey. Okay. It's sent. Did it send to YouTube?
Hey, it's phony.
It did. Send to YouTube. Good. Okay. So if I click log out and then click the Twitch. Okay, so no, it doesn't. It doesn't. It doesn't. But does it if I only log out when there's one? No, I think it's just faster. I think it's just faster. Yeah, it's still doing it. I think it's just faster. Cause like I'll test it with the YouTube one here. If I click log out and then log back in again, yeah, it makes me do the whole thing. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So it does. You're actually tripping on that. Oh, there you go. How are you doing though? I am doing pretty good, man. Can't lie. Can't lie. Things are looking up. I talked to one of my friends yesterday who works at Boeing.
Who knows?
And he might get me up on the list for some interviews.
My mom almost fell for one of those.
If it's not Boeing, I ain't going.
Exactly, yeah.
Boing.
You gotta be careful.
Boing.
People are fucking vultures.
Yeah. So that'd be cool. Fingers fucking crossed, dog.
Fucking soul.
I'd have to jump through a lot of hoops with that one though, because I'd have to get like top secret security clearance.
Scam.
And I don't know. It's an opportunity though, and obviously like it's interviews, which are invaluable right now. It's with a defense company, so I don't know if the interviews are going to be too technically hard. I think they just value like homies and culture. Okay, let's clean up the message box. Now that A-Rod's here, I'll keep going for another. I'll keep going. We'll keep going. Yeah, fingers fucking crossed, man. But yeah. Work's great. I mean, technically I had almost no work today. I'm gonna have to start working on the school's website tomorrow, but that will take like almost no time at all. Dude, Michelle. So she was like, you want me to do it, but I'm not gonna do it. That's funny. Maybe I have the video. I'm sorry, Michelle, if this is internal docs, but I'm gonna have to fucking dox your ass because this shit was just too good. Yeah. This wasn't a live Zoom call. This was a training that I was watching.
Agent 9 had a Buzz Lightyear situation going on, like he was a toy but fully.
This was just a training I was watching. She was explaining joins.
That would be pretty good.
She was explaining joins in SQL databases.
Not that he would be a like in my eyes. Not
She was explaining joins
like, I don't know. He does like children's birthday parties.
in databases, like joining data together.
That there was some great
But I was like,
to destroy.
what the fuck are you doing, Michelle? She ain't gotta do all that. She is doing too much, objectively. Like, if I saw that live on the Zoom meeting, I would have cut my camera. Like, I would have cut my camera and my mic if it was on. Probably wouldn't have been on. My camera probably wouldn't have been on either, but holy shit would I have had a field day with that. Even more than I just did. Because that shit is funny. Michelle, I'm sorry. If you see this, call me. Like, Michelle, two things. If you see this, I'm sorry. Call me. Okay? Matter of fact, call me and Adrian. Wait, no, wait. Adrian, no, I don't know about that. Definitely, Michelle, call me, and we will figure it out from there.
Thank you.
She ain't got to do all that. It needs some one-on-one. I just don't know if a woman's touch would do it for you, my man. That's all I'm saying. If a woman's touch is doing it for you, then Michelle can... You know what I'm saying? Anyway. And obviously it's 2-on-1 with Michelle. Because you know she uses both hands. Okay. Alright. Sorry, Michelle, again. Holy shit. Alright, let's clean up this message box. Bro. Yeah, we've... Alright, we can't joke about Michelle anymore. She's a lovely woman. Anyway, yeah, I don't know her, so I actually don't know. Anyway, we're gonna basically take the styles sheet, put it into Jippity, and what do we want changed here? Doing her best with 2 hands. You cannot say she's not... You can't say she's not doing her best, you know? Like, hey, it's Gaku? What the fuck? Why did it say Gaku? It's clearly Goku. Anyway, chat container. What does this mean?
Descend. And then... Wait, no, this... Okay, yeah, death abuse after I light the fucking firework. That's what I want to do.
Why doesn't it take up the whole...
Yeah,
what if I go...
So go get the Zoe's at
VH? What is...
Okay, well, I think I already got it, so it doesn't matter.
Well, what if I just hover over... Yes. Yes. So... 6 EM, 75% auto.
Trump and Biden's face all over the options, smiling, and that was it. Yeah, I'd play that.
Percentage
Out of that.
as a percentage of the containing block's height. So what's chat container contained in? Body. And what's body?
I think
Yeah, body's not.
death abuse. And then I think it respawns me right at that Zoe. Yep, spot on. We have a death abuse route. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for the prime.
Margin top on the element.
Welcome in. My thumb is starting to bruise. We are so close to the end. Thank you so much for the Prime Gaming subscription. I really appreciate that. Wake up, streamer. Holy shit. Wake the
Yeah, Laura's dying.
streamer.
She's 9 hours in, looks like. Yeah, 9 hours. She's just doing Spyro Enter the Dragonfly 100% 3 times in a row. Like, it's just fucking nuts.
How does that not, like, okay,
It's absolutely fucking insane. What people do, you know? Impressive. Insane. Impressive but insane. Yeah, I'm gonna give it the style sheet. And be like, yo.
and there's always one. Dude, there's always one.
The next step is to clean up the message box and overall style.
Yeah, probably my first Spyro 1, 2, 3 trifecta before
So-
I even learned or knew how to get through Spyro 2 and 3 quickly at all.
The send message button. No. So first of all,
Endeavor, and Spyro
first
2
off,
took 10 hours.
the chat
Like a borderline casual playthrough.
container
Spyro 3 took fucking forever. It was a 19-hour stream.
should take up.
It was
No, the chat container plus the message box should take up.
It was long. It was long. I'll tell you that. It was a memorable stream though. Yeah, I remember. It was what I think at the time it was like
Should
the
take
stream I've ever had
appropriate
watching.
Vertical space padding based on the height
Of 80 and being like, what,
of the window.
you know? Ouch. Can you stop taking opposites the entire
So that's that. Then
I choose not to answer that because I know
we
you
need the message box to just be a black box.
that means yes, XD.
With a gray outline, and the send needs to be just a button with send with a gray outline.
On the stream I mod for, there was someone who was banned for repeatedly flooding, and their unban request was, sorry, my dog typed that when I was in the
Then we want the
oh my god.
message input box to
I would fucking pass out playing this game, dude.
do I want just white background? How did his look? Let me open up Discord. How did his look? Discord, I don't want to give you money.
We good?
Ever.
You chilling?
Ever.
Chilling. What the oh, he fucking wing shielded it! Oh my god, I was checking sparks and I just fucking wing shielded that snowball, dude. Did you see that? That was a complete fucking accident. I was literally just checking the fucking sparks finder and I reflected a snowball. Alright, this, I think we're good. I think we're good. Dude, that was actually the most, dude, complete fucking accident, but
I'm gonna just send the fucking message that he sent me.
insane reaction times.
Message box and take a permanent based on the high off the window. Then we want the message input box to
what that probably is like, you know, fucking kids cartoons, like school cafeteria evil lunch lady makes trays.
I've pasted in
and that's all you get to eat.
a crude photo that was taken on the streamer of his view of the old app. I want to hijack the style of the message box. We want my message box to look like the old apps, and we also want to add
let's go get the goddamn dragonflies.
we'll keep the send button, but update the style to match the theme.
Alright, let's roll. Ride the slide? Don't mind if I fucking died. My controls are gone.
We don't need...
Alright, do the slide intended, Laura.
We'll keep the send button, but update the style to match the theme.
I have more than enough time.
We want the vertical height and spacing of the chat container and message box to be sized appropriately based on window size. Update the style to match the theme. We'll also update the main.js script, I believe, to add putting enter as also update send the message if the user presses the enter key and remove text immediately, so that the so that the streamer
all the food you could possibly want. Literal just fucking mountain of food. Just scarf that shit down.
these text disappear
There you go, you make millions.
as soon as return key is hit or send button is clicked.
Literally all you need to get started is a high quality.
Whew. Okay, what's it gonna say? And this is definitely gonna be the last step of the night. I may not even do this. I'm gonna just end stream and go chill. And by chill,
Like there are mukbangers
I mean sit down and
afterwards, and there are mukbangers
keep working on this, but more relaxing like,
fucking like
and like watch
you
Twitch.
gotta stay on top of that shit.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying.
Where are my millions?
Where are my millions?
I feel like that was the wrong word to use.
Input box, send button,
Alright, honey.
functionality to send the message. Okay, So I've got a good place to stop. I think I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna go relax. I've been going for an hour 15. That's 15 more than I thought I was gonna do today. So yeah. And I had some breakthroughs today with the content creation. It's going
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'm sure there's plenty of mukbangers
just so well.
tempted.
That shit's gonna be fire. It's just gonna be so fire. There's gonna be so much content. It's gonna be so fire.
The thing is,
It's all gonna go to my website automatically. It's crazy. It's just gonna be so fire.
such a type of content that YouTube is so willing to promote. They're literally
It's gonna be so
fucking
fire.
around, clawing at the walls, waiting to promote mukbang content. So as long as you just feed the machine and upload every other day or something, you will grow. Like, it's fucking guaranteed.
Let's see. Features of the content scheduler.
However, if you
Auto posting.
YouTube doesn't like
Supercharge the content hub.
actually talented,
Send posts to GitHub repo.
then nope,
And commit automatically.
go fuck yourself, dumbass.
Damas.
Stay at 1,000
Cool.
subs.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna peace out. Adrian, I hope you have a great day, dude. You have a great rest of your night. Thanks for hanging out. It's been awesome.
It's this right here.
We're always making progress, right? We're always making progress. Always moving towards the goal. The goal is 6 figs remote, baby. Or something like that. Something like that. Yeah, thanks, brother. Thank you so much, brother. Yep, I'm gonna peace out. Yeah, nothing else to say. Catch you guys on the flippity flip, which is tomorrow morning. Yes, tomorrow morning for like 30-45 minutes. We'll keep working on this. We'll see how much I get done the rest of the night, but I'm definitely gonna relax. Yeah. Peace.
Yeah, I'm sure of it. But it's just a matter of playing your cards right.